Hi, I'm Nicole Lavin. I'm a specialist neurological physiotherapist and a physiotherapy lecturer, and today's activities are to help you support your hip and knee.
Before starting the warm-up to this activity, it is very important that carers and family members watch the Advice and Exercises for Carers video.
Okay, Amber Group, this is the warm-up for your hip and knee activity. So you will be standing and you will need something for support. So the back of a chair or kitchen work surface is ideal. And if you can stand facing that support and place both hands on if possible. Okay, stand up nice and tall with your back straight. And the first activity in your warm-up is a simple bum squeeze. So just squeezing your bottom cheeks together and releasing. So as you're doing this, you want to be pulling your tummy in and standing as tall as possible. Okay, and we're going to do 10. So this is number 3. 4, 5. Don't hold your breath if you can. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, the second activity in the warm-up is to do some high knee marching. So we're going to aim to do this for 1 minute. Okay, so again, holding on, both hands if possible. Okay, facing your support and try to get your hip and knees up high. Okay, keep your back tall. Are we ready? Off we go, 1 minute. Okay. That's it. Try to get them equal if you can. Okay, go at a nice steady pace, whatever pace is comfortable for you. Okay, and keep this going for 1 minute. Try not to hold your breath as you're doing this activity. Okay, keep this going. Well done, you're doing really well. Keep going, nearly there now. Okay, and stop. Okay, and the third and final activity in your warm-up, again standing in the same position, okay, with handheld support. Keep your feet facing forwards, and we're just literally going to tap the foot out to the side and back to the middle and the opposite. Okay, and we're going to do 5 each side. Okay, so that's 2, back to the middle, 2, back to the middle. And it's important with this one that your toes keep facing forwards. Okay, so we don't want your toes doing that. Okay, so out to the side, to the middle. Keep your back nice and tall. Okay, and pause. We'll take a short pause there so you can go over the coaching points from the activity we've just shown you.
Amber Group warm-up coaching points. With all movements, try to do as much as you can, but do not work to any pain or restrictions. Make sure that you have a supportive surface like a chair or worktop in front of you and hold with both hands if possible. Stand up tall when doing these exercises. Buttock squeezes, repeat 10 times. Lift your knees up high for 1 minute and tap toes out to the side 5 times each side.
You need to be sitting in a standard chair. If you've got a chair with arms, that's fine, okay? And try if you can to get your bottom towards the edge of the chair. You want to slide your feet back slightly, okay? So that as you come forwards into a standing position, you can push down through your feet. So your feet need to be equal. Okay, I'm using a walking stick for this activity so that once you are stood, you've got it for your balance. So if you normally have a walking frame, have that in front of you, walking stick as I will show you, or you might have something to stand to get your balance once you're up. Okay, so we're going to focus on sitting to standing, getting your balance, and then slowly and controlling the sitting down. And we're going to do 10. Okay, so we're going to rock forwards, nose over your toes, push through your arms if you can, come up into a standing position. Okay, get your balance, use your stick, walking frame, or work surface if you need to. Hold it there, 3, 2, 1, and then slowly sit back down. So we want you to bend in the middle, reach back if you need to, okay, to guide your bottom back, and sit down. Okay, so that's 1, and we're going for 10. So up, nice and slowly and controlled. Use something for support once you're there. 3, 2, 1, and then go to sit back down. So you might reach, stick your bottom back out, slowly down. Okay, and again, up, 3, 2, 1, okay. Stick your bottom out, bend your knees. Okay, good. Keep this going. Okay, just keep it nice and slow and controlled throughout. We don't want you rushing up and down. Okay, you should start to feel this in your legs a little bit. Okay, we're about halfway through now. Okay, keep that going. And down. 4 to go. Okay, last 3. As you're coming up, really push down through both legs. Okay, and as you're sitting back down, really stick that bottom right out. Okay, final one. Push, 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 push. 3, 2, 1, and slowly down. Okay, well done. We'll take a short pause there so you can go over some of the coaching points for the activity that we've just shown you.
Amber Group, exercise 1 coaching points. With all movements, try to do as much as you can, but do not work to any pain or restrictions. Ensure that you have your walking aid and or carer whilst doing these exercises. Try to lean forwards and then push through both legs to stand. Use your walking aid and or carer to support you when you are standing. When sitting, stick your bottom out, reach for the chair arms and sit slowly. Repeat 10 times.
Okay, Amber Group, this is the second activity for your hip and knee. You will be in standing. Again, you need to use a work surface for support. Okay, so hold on, facing the work surface, hold on with both hands if possible. Have your feet shoulder width apart, okay, and your toes pointing forwards. Okay, so once you hold on, keep your tummy tucked in, okay, and your back nice and straight. And what we're going to do is some small knee bends. So we're just looking for a small movement, okay, nice and controlled, and back up again. So we're not looking for a squat down to the floor. It's a small controlled movement, okay, and we're looking for 10. Okay, so this is 2, and back up, keeping it nice and slow and controlled, and keeping your back straight throughout. Okay. Excellent. Okay, this is 5. Halfway there. Really try to push down through both feet as you on the downward movement. Excellent. 3 to go. Good. Last one. Okay. Take a short rest and repeat. So you're doing 2 lots of 10. Okay, so again, position, back straight, small movement, and back up. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep it nice and slow and controlled. Halfway through the second set now. 6, 7, 8, last 2, 9 and 10. Okay, well done. We'll take a short pause now so you can go over the coaching points from the activity that we've just shown you.
Amber Group exercise 2 coaching points. With all movements, try to do as much as you can, but do not work to any pain or restrictions. Have a support like a chair or worktop in front of you whilst doing this activity and hold with both hands. Stand up tall and try not to lean forwards whilst bending your knees. Repeat 10 times and then rest and repeat.
Okay, Amber Group, this is the third and final activity for your hip and knee. Again, in the same position, standing with work surface for support. Place both hands, if possible, on the work surface, facing the work surface, and keep standing up nice and tall. So your feet need to be shoulder width apart and your toes are pointing forwards. Once you've got your hands on that support, tuck your tummy in. Okay, don't hold your breath. And with your stronger leg first, you're just going to bring your foot backwards to tap it backwards and back to the start again. Okay, I'm going to do 10 repetitions on your stronger leg first, so that's 2. And what's important with this activity is that you don't lean forwards in your trunk, so we don't want that movement. Okay, we want your back to be nice and tall. So keep this going. Okay, for 10. So tapping backwards, back to the start. Back, start, back nice and tall. Keep that going. Final one on your stronger leg. Okay, and then you're going to repeat it on your weaker leg. Okay, 1, 2. Again, keeping your top half really nice and straight throughout the activity. Last 3. Well done. Okay, we'll take a short pause there so you can go over the coaching points from the activity that we've just shown you.
Amber Group exercise 3 coaching points. With all movements, try to do as much as you can, but do not work to any pain or restrictions. Have a support like a chair or worktop in front of you whilst doing this activity and hold with both hands. Stand up tall and try not to lean forwards whilst taking your leg behind you. Perform 10 times on your stronger leg and then repeat with your weaker leg.
I hope you enjoyed today's session. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.